everyone, I am Ify at Baking History, and I hope you're noticing the artistic vibe we're having today, because today we're learning about Impressionism. More specifically, we will be talking about American Impressionist Mary Cassatt. The topic for today was chosen by Rachel Gordon, who is an artist herself and does pretty cool things like design 100 different styrofoam sheep and then herd them around Cleveland. The way to teach kids about Impressionism is placemat cooking. It's a technique that IKEA came up with, where you have those symbols that show you where to put the ingredients and you just like color inside the lines, then wrap it all together and cook it. I tried it out with the group I work with, and kids as young as 3 years old were able to cook that way, and they all made themselves their own dinners and were very pleased with the outcome. You can also do other cool things with placemat cooking, like thank the person who came up with the name placemat cooking. But let's go back to Mary Cassatt. So the painting I chose to work with is Woman Standing Holding a Fan. I chose this mainly because the colors of this painting worked with the ingredients I was going to use. There wasn't too much blue or things that I would have needed artificial coloring for. So you place a parchment over the painting that you picked, and you just start placing all kinds of ingredients over it, all kinds of things that you would like to go into your dinner. Now, that is a little bit different from the IKEA placement cooking sheet, because Impressionist artists weren't too concerned with contour lines. They tried to get the lighting right, they tried to get the proportions right, but the rest was more about the human experience and the artist's impression, so it wouldn't matter if colors blurred and if the shading wasn't perfect. And as I said, if you go like out of the lines, it was fine. When your piece is done, you destroy it by picking up all the corners together and twisting it. And this whole thing goes into the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Mary Cassatt was a feminist, like everyone well should be. And in her pictures, you see her focusing mainly on women. And every one of her paintings shows the feminist notion that women are people. So you don't see women frozen or being posed or being divine or being sexualized. They're rather just doing their thing. I love this one where you can just see people like Mary herself admiring photos and trying to recreate them. Okay, our dinner is ready. So it comes out looking like this, and it looks pretty nice on the plate. Before I even got a chance to take enough photos of it, my own artist came home and was sort of eyeballing the plate, and pretty quickly she decided that, yeah, it would probably be okay to eat it. Anyway, thank you for being with me today, and see you next time. So this was fun to make, and it was simple, and it was yummy. So I highly recommend that you all make yourselves some Impressionist dinner soon. I want to say thank you again to Rachel Gordon for picking this great topic for us. And I want to thank all of you for watching this video, for following us, and for simply taking interest in history. If more people would be like you, maybe we won't have to repeat it. Yalla bye.